Test yourself again on Irish prepositional pronouns. Juggling 2 items might seem easy, but what about 3? Can kangaroos learn Irish? Stick around to find out. But first, try testing yourself by putting these sentences into Irish using 3 different prepositions as prepositional pronouns. Eg, eis, and le. Let me know your score out of 10 in the comments. Here we go. Number 1. She has a car and she likes it. See if you can fill in the blanks. Tá cór aici agus is mála é. Number 2. He doesn't care that you have a cold. Singular you here. Is cuma leis go bhfuil sláideán ort. Number 3. I don't mind that you don't have money. Singular you again. Ní mistalum nach bhfuil agad agad. Number 4. She has patience with him. Tá fáine aici leis. Number 5. He has anger at her or is angry with her. Cois Fharraige. Remember, if you need to, you can pause the test and re-listen. Number 6. He owns this book, but he doesn't like it. Is leis an leabhar seo, ach ní má leis é. Number 7. She is sorry that we don't have a house. Tá brón ora nach bhfuil teach agin. Number 8. I don't care and I am not ashamed. Is cuma lom agus níl náte orm. Number 9. You know that they are thirsty. Staying with the singular you here. Tás agad go bhfuil tart orm. Last one, number 10. They know that you are hungry. Still the singular you. Tás acab go bhfuil ocras ort. If you're not happy with your first score, you can even try the whole thing again. If you've lasted this long, you get to meet the gatecrasher. We live in the West Australian bush where there are lots of kangaroos. This big boomer came to the window where I had the blinds open fully for the light to make a video and started listening to the Irish sentences intently with his ears rotating, and then eventually, when I'd finished, hopped away. I'm a learner sharing what I encounter as I go, and this is the way I practice and test myself. How do you practice your prepositional pronouns? Let me know in the comments. If you want to know more about prepositional pronouns, check out my other videos on the topic. There's even another self-test if you want to try that. And if this has been useful to you, please subscribe to my channel.